Hello, welcome to the next segment of our Beginner's Guide to Artificial Intelligence, where we're going to discuss AI art generating platforms. To start off, we'll begin with Stable Diffusion here. They're one of the first platforms to generate artificial intelligent art, and we'll look at a couple of others. But they provide options where you can generate art right on their site here, and you can see a couple examples of the creative uses that the creators who've used this platform have put it to. OpenAI has their own, so the owners and makers of ChatGPT have their own called Dalle 3, and it's a fantastic platform. You can see a variety of examples here across the bottom, which show cartoons to fantastical renderings to even some interior design. Another is Leonardo AI, and they do a lot of sprites and some other applications as far as video games and graphics, similar kind of things as well, and you can see in these examples here. My personal favorite is Midjourney, and this is the tool that I use for work in both the professional and personal setting, from Dungeons and Dragons games to real estate projects that I've been engaged on. And we'll dive deeper into Midjourney and talk more about its features and capabilities in the next couple of videos.